children. Today we are going to study the next topic. The next topic is France as Republic and the Reign of Terror. So as we studied in our previous chapter about the Convention and Jacobin Club. So what was the Jacobin Club? Jacobin Club क्या था? Jacobin Club was an institution which was formed by the lower class of the third state, and the leader of the Jacobin Club was Maximilien Robespierre. So who was the leader? Maximilien Robespierre was the leader of Jacobin Club, and the National Assembly was renamed as Convention in the year 21st September 1792, and this institution established Republic Party in place of monarchy system. The monarchy system was abolished by convention. जो monarchy system था वो किसने abolish कर दिया? Convention क्या establish कर दिया? Republic Party. And the leader of the Republic Party was Robespierre, and he was not appointed, he was elected member. जो रॉबस्पायर था उसको अपॉइंट नहीं किया था, बट ही वॉज इलेक्टेड मेंबर. एंड देयर वर मैनी चेंजेस विच वर ब्रॉट बाय रॉबस्पायर. बहुत से चेंजेस थे जो कि रॉबस्पायर ने लाए. कहाँ पे? इन द फ्रांस. सो नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट दीज चेंजेस. तो कौन कौन से चेंजेस हैं? फर्स्ट, ही इम्पोज मैक्सिमम सीलिंग ऑन वेजेस एंड प्राइसेस. तो उसने क्या इम्पोज कर दिया? मैक्सिमम सीलिंग ऑन वेजेस, पेमेंट पे जो प्राइजेस थे किसी भी जो वीट, मतलब वहाँ पे जितने भी जो आइटम, फूड प्रोडक्ट जितने भी थे उन सब के प्राइजेस पे क्या कर दिया? सीलिंग. रेशनलाइज ऑफ मीट एंड ब्रेड. जो मीट एंड ब्रेड थी उसकी रेट एक फिक्स कर दी, rationalize कर दी, and that would be available for all the people in France. There was no shortage of bread. जैसे इससे पहले क्या थी? There was shortage of bread. The lower people, they were not able to get the bread, but this problem was solved by rationalizing of meat and broad. And third one, the farmers were forced to go to the city and sell their produce at the prices which were fixed by the government. There were prices of the produces which were fixed by the government, and the farmer had to sell their produces at that fixed price. Why he had done this? He had done all these things to bring the equality in the society. And white flour was banned. And why was white flour banned? This white flour was banned because it was expensive. Only the higher class people were able to purchase that, were able to utilize that white flour. That's why white flour was banned. And there were traditional names which were given to Frenchmen and women, and these names were also changed. The traditional name for the man was Monsieur, and the French name for the lady was Madame, and this name was changed into citoyen and citoyenne. Citoyen and citoyenne. Citoyen means for gents and citoyenne for ladies. Their meaning was citizen, and he had also done this to bring the equality. And at the time of the Robespierre, churches were seized and they were converted into barracks and offices. जो चर्च थे उनको सीज कर दिया और उनकी जगह पे क्या बना दिया? उनको ऑफिसेस बना दी. And the period between 1793 and 1794 is known as the Reign of Terror. And now there is a question, why this period is known as Reign of Terror? So the period between 1793 and 1794 is known as the reign of terror. कौन से पीरियड को रेन ऑफ टेरर कहते हैं? पीरियड बिटवीन 1793 and 1794. So what was happened in this period? There were many changes which were brought by the Robespierre. But what he had done, Robespierre, he adopted a policy. What policy he adopt? उसने क्या पॉलिसी की? उसको ऐसा लगता था जो भी उसके एनिमीज है, कौन? एक्स नोबल्स, जो पहले नोबल्स थे, राज परिवार के लोग थे, क्लर्गी, जो मेंबर्स ऑफ अदर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी, even the members of his own party who did not support his method were arrested, imprisoned, and then they were hanged. तो उसने क्या किया? जो पॉलिसीज बनाए, तो उसकी जो पॉलिसीज थे वो क्या होती गई? काफ़ी कठोर होती गई. उसने क्या किया? उसको लगता था जो भी उसके एनिमीज हैं, एनिमीज कौन थे? एक्स नोबल्स. उसको क्या लगता था? जो रिपब्लिक सिस्टम है उसके एनिमीज कौन थे? एक्स नोबल्स, क्लर्गी, members of other political party, even members of his own party who did not support his method. यहाँ तक कि उसके जो खुद की पार्टी थी उसके भी मेंबर्स जिन्होंने did not support, जिन्होंने सपोर्ट नहीं किया. क्या सपोर्ट नहीं किया? उसकी जो मेथड्स थे उनको अरेस्ट नहीं किया. तो वो उनको क्या कर लेता था? अरेस्ट कर लेता था. अरेस्ट करके क्या करता था? उनको सेंटेंस टू जेल, सेंटेंस टू प्रिजन, एंड इफ दे वर फाउंड गिल्टी, यदि कोर्ट के द्वारा वो गिल्टी पाए जाते थे तो दे वर हैंग टू डेथ. तो वो क्या करता था? जो भी एनिमीज होते थे उनको अरेस्ट कर लेता था, फिर उनको जेल भेज देता था. इफ दे फाइंड गिल्टी दे वर हैंग टू डेथ. एंड देयर वाज एन स्पेशल मेथड फॉर द हैंगिंग. द नेम ऑफ दैट मेथड वाज गुलोटाइन. व्हाट वाज द नेम ऑफ दैट मेथड? गुलोटाइन. So what was the guillotine? It was an instrument. What was it? It was an instrument, or you can say it was a machine. Or a machine. Or machine which were made up of two poles. एक मशीन होती थी ऐसे, two poles की बनी वाली रहती थी. एंड ये वेर अ ब्लेड विद अ पर्सन भी हेड. तो यहाँ पे एक बीच में एक कैसे रहती थी? ब्लेड रहती थी. अब जिस पर्सन को हैंग किया जाता था उसकी गर्दन यहाँ पे रख के उसको काट देता था. तो इस मशीन को क्या बोलते थे? गुलोटाइन. एंड इट वॉज नेम्ड आफ्टर द इन्वेंटर डॉक्टर गुलोटी. इसका नाम गुलोटाइन क्यों रखा गया? क्योंकि इट वॉज इन्वेंशन बाय ए डॉक्टर Guillotine. So this was the method of hanging. So what was the guillotine? एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट था, that was machine that was made up of two poles and a blade. दो poles होते थे, एक blade होती थी, in which a person भी headed. और यहाँ पे उसका सर रख के क्या कर देते थे? कट किया जाता. So इस पीरियड को क्या बोलते हैं? दिस पीरियड वॉज नोन एज द रेन ऑफ टेरर. ठीक है. अब नेक्स्ट चैप्टर में अपन पढ़ेंगे कि ऐसे उसका ये बहुत ज़्यादा उसकी क्या हो गई, वो धीरे धीरे बहुत अतिवादी हो गया. he became very strict. So the common people, they also started disliking him. Most of the people, they started disliking him. So what was happened to him? This we shall study in our next class. So what is the question? you have to write down why the period between 1793 and 1794 is known as the reign of terror. तो उसका आंसर ये वाला आ जाएगा. Then what is the next question? What were the changes which were brought by Maximilian Robespierre? What was the second question? What were the changes brought by Robespierre?